Hi students, welcome back to online classes. So see that one in the previous class we are completed that question number 62. Continue the question number 63. So what is the question number 63 is? See that one students. So what is the question number 63 is? If m into tan of theta minus 30 degrees is equal to n into tan theta plus 120 degrees, then they are asking then m minus n by m plus n. So this condition is given, they are asking m minus n by m plus n. So see that one, how to solve this question here. So first of all I will take that. So m tan of theta minus 30 degrees is equal to n into tan of theta plus 120 degrees. So for all the values of theta, so here I am taking that theta is equal to 0 degrees. So that implies m into tan 0 minus 30, that is the minus 30 degrees. So that is equal to n into tan of theta is the 0 degrees. So it will become 120 degrees. So that implies m into tan of minus theta. Tan of minus theta is a minus tan theta. Okay. So tan 30 is a 1 by root 3. So it will become minus 1 by root 3. So that is equal to n. What is the tan 120? Tan 120 is a 180 minus 60. So minus tan 60. Minus tan 60 value is nothing but minus root 3. So that implies what we will take that. So here this minus will be cancelled and take this m by n is equal to, take this root 3 to that side. Root 3 into root 3 it will become 3 by 1. So already know that what is the component or dividendo formula is nothing but a by b is equal to c by d. So that implies a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. So here I am going to apply the formula here. So what is that one is m plus n by m minus n. So that is equal to 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So what happens students? M plus n by m minus n is equal to 3 plus 1 is a 4. 4 by 2 is a 2. So but in the question they are asking m minus n by m plus n. So that's why what I am taking that, take the reciprocal. So that is a m minus n by m plus n will become 1 by 2. When theta is equal to 0 degrees, then m minus n by m plus 1 value is 1 by 2. But in the answers, they did not given the 1 by 2. So they are given in terms of a trigonometric function. So that's why you have to verify the answers here by verification. By verification here, I am going to verify the options. So see the first option. What is the first option, students? So the first option is nothing but a 2 cos 2 theta. 2 cos 2 theta. So that is nothing but 2 into cos 0. So that is nothing but the 2 into cos 0 is a 1. So this is 2. So but answer is a 1 by 2. So next, see the second one is. What is the second option, students? So that is a 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. So that is nothing but the 2 into sin square 0 degrees. That is nothing but the 2 into 0. So that is equal to 0. It is not the option. So see the third one is. What is the third one, students? 1 by 2 cos 2 theta. 1 by 2 cos 2 theta. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 into cos theta is 0 degrees. So it will become 0. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1. So that is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. Or understand that? So you can verify the fourth option also. What is the fourth option, students? 1 by 2 sin 2 theta. 1 by 2 sin 2 theta. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 0. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 into 0. So that is nothing but 1 by 0. So it is not the answer. So what is the answer, students? So therefore Answer is nothing but option 3 is the answer. Option 3 is the answer. Okay. So check that problem, students. See the next question. Question number 64. So what is the question number 64? So see this question, students. In triangle ABC, tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to 6 and tan A into tan B is equal to 2. Tan A into tan B equal to 2. Then the triangle is. So the first option is right angled isosceles triangle. Second one is acute angle triangle. Acute angled isosceles triangle. Next one is acute angle triangle. Next one is equilateral triangle. So see this question, students, how to solve this one. So first you have to see that in triangle ABC, so that implies A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Yes or no? In triangle ABC, sum of the angles is 180 degrees. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180, we know that tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. So that implies tan A plus tan B plus tan C value is 6. So that is equal to tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B value is 2 into tan C. So that implies tan C is equal to 3. Tan C is equal to C. So this is greater than 0. That value is positive. So similarly here, see that therefore tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to 6 since that implies tan A plus tan B plus, what is the tan C value? That is the 3. So that is equal to 6. So that implies tan A plus tan B is equal to 3. Tan A plus tan B is equal to 3. So I am going to consider tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B whole square. So A minus B whole square formula is A plus B whole square minus A plus B whole square minus 4AB. A plus B whole square minus 4AB. So this formula here we are going to use. So A minus B whole square you can write as A plus B whole square minus 4AB. So 4 into tan A into tan B. So that implies, why I am taking that? So that implies tan A minus tan B whole square is equal to tan A plus tan B value, already know that value is 9. So we can replace the value here. So that is 3 square minus 4 into tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B is 2. So what happens, students? So that implies tan A minus tan B whole square. So that is equal to 9 minus 8. So that is equal to 1. So that implies if you can take the square here, you will get the tan A minus tan B value will become the 1. So take this is the equation number 1. and take this is the equation number 2. So why? Because already you know the tan A plus tan B. If you know the tan A minus tan B, you will get a tan A value and a tan B value. So that's why we are calculated tan A minus tan B value. Okay. So I will do that one. Equation 1 plus equation 2. So what is the equation 1? Tan A plus tan B, that is equal to 3. Tan A minus tan B, that is equal to 1. So that implies 2 tan A, that is equal to 4. So that implies tan A is equal to 2. So this is also greater than 0. Tan A is also greater than 0. Similarly 1 minus 2. What is the 1 minus 2? Tan A minus tan B. Tan A plus tan B. So that is equal to 3. And tan A minus tan B. So that is equal to 1. If you change the sign, so minus, it will become plus, and it is the minus. So tan A minus tan A will be cancelled. Tan B plus tan B, it will become 2 tan B is equal to 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So that implies tan B is equal to 1. So tan B is equal to 1. This is also greater than 0. So tan A greater than 0, tan B greater than 0, tan C greater than 0. All are positive angles. All are positive angles. That meaning is all are acute angles. Therefore A comma B comma C are acute angles. Therefore triangle ABC is acute angle triangle. So see that question, students. So that is nothing but acute angle triangle. So why? Because A, B, C are the angles of the triangle, that every angle is less than 180. So that meaning is every angle lies in between 0 to 180 only. Okay. If the angle is negative, meaning is it is in the second quadrant. If the angle is a positive, meaning is it is in the first quadrant. So here tan A is positive, tan B is a positive, and tan C is a positive. All the tan values are positive, meaning is all the angles are in the first quadrant only. In the first quadrant is nothing but 0 to 90. That meaning is every angle is acute angle. So automatically the triangle is acute angle triangle. Are you understand, students? So see that question. See the question number 65. So what is the question number 65 is? So see the question number 65. So cos of A minus B is equal to 3 by 5 and tan A into tan B is equal to 2. Tan A into tan B is equal to 2. Then so 4 options are given. What is the option will be satisfies? That is they are asking. Okay. So by using of these 2 conditions, so see that one. So see this one, students. So from here tan A and tan B, tan A into tan B is equal to 2. Tan A into tan B is nothing but sin A into sin B by cos A into cos B. So that is equal to 2. So that implies sin A into sin B. So that is equal to 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. So similarly, so take this is the 1, and from given, so given one more condition. What is that? Cos of A minus B is equal to 3 by 5. Cos of A minus B is equal to 3 by 5. So that implies cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to 3 by 5. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to 3 by 5. So already you know that sin A sin B value is 2 cos A cos B. You can replace this value here. I will replace this value. What is that? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B value. I will take 2 cos A cos B. So that is equal to 3 by 5. So add these two students. What we will get that? 3 cos A cos B, so that is equal to 3 by 5. You can cancel the 3 on the both the sides. So cos A cos B is equal to 3 by 5. So this is the one condition. So verify the answer. So cos A into cos B is equal to 3 by 5, but in the answer they are given cos A into cos B is equal to 2 by 5. So it is not required. And from 1, what is the equation 1, students? Sin A sin B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. So that implies 2 into cos A cos B. Cos A cos B value is 3 by 5. Cos A into cos B value is 3 by 5. So that is you are cancelled at 3 on the both the sides. So cos A into cos B value is 1 by 5, not the 3 by 5 is, students. So that is 1 by 5. Okay. So you are cancel the 3 on the both the sides. You will get cos A into cos B is 1 by 5. So we can replace this value here. It will become 1 by 5. So this is nothing but 2 by 5. Verify this answer. So cos A into cos B is 1 by 5. It is not there. Sin A into sin B is minus 2 by 5. But you are getting a 2 by 5. So it is not the answer. Next option we have to verify cos of A plus B. Okay. So calculate that cos of A plus B is cos of A plus B is equal to, what is the cos of A plus B formula? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, sin A sin B. So what is this, students? Cos A cos B value. Cos A cos B value is 1 by 5 minus sin A sin B value is 2 by 5. That is 2 by 5. So this value is 1 by 5 and that value is 2 by 5. Take the LCM, students. So what we will get, that 1 minus 2 by 5. So that is equal to minus 1 by 5. So verify this one. Cos of A plus B, that is equal to minus 1 by 5 is there. So this is the required answer. So what is the answer is, students? So the answer is nothing but option 3 is the answer. Okay. So see that question, students. So see the next question, question number 66. So what is the question number 66 is? So see that question, students. So tan theta plus cot theta, plus cot theta, that is equal to 3. So tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 3. Then they are asking tan power 4 theta plus cot power 4 theta. So this is the question. Okay. So see this question, students. So what is the formula you are going to use that? So A square plus B square you can written as A square plus B square, you can written as A plus B whole square, A plus B whole square minus 2AB. So if you can see this one, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square, one is the reciprocal of the second one. In that case, what happens? X plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, it will become 1. So it will become x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Why? Because A is x and B is a 1 by x. If we can replace here x into 1 by x, it will become 1. So it will become 2 into 1, it will become 2. Okay. So here what I am going to take, that tan power 4 theta plus cot power 4 theta. So tan power 4 theta we can written as tan square theta whole square plus cot square theta whole square. So what is this, students? It is in the form of a square plus b square. What is a? A is nothing but a tan square theta. So that is nothing but a plus b whole square. So that is nothing but tan square theta plus cot square theta whole square minus 2 into AB. A is tan square theta, B is cot square theta. So that is nothing but tan square theta into cot square theta. So observe here, it is once again in the form of a square plus b square. Once again, yes or no? It is in the form of a square plus b square. A square plus b square, once again you have to apply the formula. So that is nothing but a plus b whole square. So tan theta plus cot theta whole square minus 2 into AB. AB is nothing but tan theta into cot theta whole square minus 2 into tan square theta into cot square theta. Tan and cot, though both will be cancelled, you will get a 1 only. So that implies tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta plus cot theta value is a 3. So this is a 3 square minus 2 into 1. 2 into tan theta into cot theta will become 1. It become minus 2 whole square minus 2. So this value is 9 minus 2 is a 7. 9 minus 2 is a 7. So this is a 7 square minus 2. So 7 square is nothing but a 49 minus 2. So that is nothing but a 47. So see that question, students. Tan power 4 theta plus cot power 4 theta. You have to apply this formula for 2 times. Okay. So first I am written as a square plus b square. But a is a tan square theta, b is a cot square theta. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Once again it is in the form of a square plus b square. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this value is the 3 and tan theta into cot theta value will become the 1. Just substitute the values, you will get the answer. Okay. So see that question, students. And see the next question, question number 67. So what is the question number 67? So see that question, students. Sine of a plus b, sine of a plus b plus c is equal to 1 and secant of a plus c, secant of a plus c is equal to 2. Secant of a plus c is equal to 2. So then what is the question is, ABC being acute angles, then the angle B is, see here, so sine of a plus b is equal to 1, sine of a plus b plus c is equal to 1. So that implies, what is the angle? A plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees. I am taking that acute angle here. A plus b plus c is a 90 degrees. Why? Because the sine 90 is 1. So I am taking it as a plus b plus c is equal to 1, 90 degrees. Okay. So here secant of a plus c, secant of a plus c, if we can change into cos. So secant is the reciprocal of cos. So if we can change into cos of a plus c, it will become 1 by 2. Why? Because the secant of a plus c is 2. That implies cos of a plus c will become 1 by 2. So that implies a plus c, a 1 by 2 value is nothing but 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. So that meaning is a plus c value is 60 degrees. So a plus b plus c is 90 and a plus c is 60 degrees. So therefore a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees. So that implies b plus a plus c value is 60 degrees, that is 90. So that implies b is equal to 30 degrees. So see that one, students. Sine of a plus b plus c is 1, a plus b plus c is 90. So secant of a plus c is 2. That implies take that reciprocal, cos of a plus c is equal to 1 by 2. Then automatically a plus c value become 60 degrees. So a plus b plus c is 90 and a plus c is 60. Automatic remaining angle, that is the b. B will become 30 degrees. Okay. So see that question, students. See the next question, question number 68. So what is the question number 68? See, students. So what they are giving that P is equal to tan 8a, comma q is equal to tan 5a, comma r is equal to tan 3a. Then what is the quotient? The quotient is p minus q minus r by pqr. So they are asking this value is, okay. So p value is, q value is, and r value is. They are asking p minus q minus r by pqr value is, okay. So see this question, students, how to solve this one. So I am observed that 8a is nothing but 5a plus 3a, yes or no? So that is nothing but what we will take that first. P is equal to tan 8a, yes or no? So this can be written as, that implies P is equal to tan 8a, you can written as 5a plus 3a, yes or no? So 8a I am written 5a plus 3a, that implies P is equal to tan of a plus b formula, students, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b. So that implies P is equal to, this value is the q plus that value is r by 1 minus qr. Take this denominator to this side, what happens? So P into 1 minus qr is equal to q plus r. So that implies P minus pqr is equal to q plus r. And take this minus pqr to that side and take these two terms to this side. What happens, students? P minus q minus r is equal to pqr. And take this value to the denominator. So what happens? That is nothing but P minus q minus r by pqr. So that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. Okay. So see that question, students. So see the next condition. What is that? So see the question number 69. So what is the question number 69 is? So see that question. So what is the question number 69? X square plus y square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, and tan alpha is equal to xy by zr, and tan beta is equal to yz by xr, and tan gamma is equal to zx by yr. So x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, and tan alpha is equal to tan beta equal to tan gamma is equal to. Then what is the question, students? They are asking calculate, that implies then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, that is the question. Okay. So here you have to observe that if a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, we know one formula. We are already proved that in the previous class. So see that one, check the condition. In the previous class we are completed this question. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, then tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan c tan a is equal to 1. So check this condition, students. If a plus b plus c is a pi by 2, then tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan c tan a will become 1. Here tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan c tan a equal to 1, we can take it as a plus b plus c is a pi by 2. So here that's why I will calculate this value. What is that? Consider this value, that is tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan c tan, that is They are given in terms of alpha betas actually. So we can take it as tan alpha, tan beta, tan beta, tan gamma, tan gamma, tan alpha. So what is this values or what is these values are? So see this one students, first one is so that is xy. So this place will not I will take from here. So that is what is that value is xy by zr into tan beta. Tan beta is yz by xr plus tan beta into tan gamma. So that is nothing but yz by xr into tan gamma. Tan gamma is nothing but zx by yr plus tan gamma. Tan gamma is nothing but zx by yr into tan alpha. Tan alpha is nothing but xy by zr. xy by zr. So cancel the terms here students. What is the terms you can cancel? So x will be cancelled and z will be cancelled. So what is the remaining is that is nothing but y into y square by r into r, that is r square, plus here x will be cancelled and y will be cancelled. It will become z square by r square. So here what is the terms? Z will be cancelled and y will be cancelled. So that is nothing but x square by r square. So what we can take the LCM? That is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square whole by r square. Take the LCM r square. So already you know that x square plus y square plus z square is r square. So that is nothing but r square by r square. So that is equal to 1. So I am already given this value is 1, automatically a plus b plus c value become pi by 2. So that implies alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So see that question students. So try the question number 70. So statement 1 and statement 2. Check that one both are correct or not. So we are already proved these two conditions. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are true. So check the question number 70. Both the statements are given. They are asking which of the statement is true. 1 or 2 or both 1 and 2. Okay. So check that condition students. So see the next question. Question number 71. So what is the question number 71? So see that question students. So 2 cos x minus cos 3x minus cos 5x minus cos 5x value they are asking. 2 cos x minus cos 3x minus cos 5x. Okay. So what is the condition they are asking? So some transformation formulas we will use that. So what is the formulas are? Cos a plus cos b. Cos a plus cos b formula is 2 into cos of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2. What is the formula students? Cos of a plus b is cos a plus cos b is 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. So here we are going to take that is equal to 2 cos x. I will take the minus here. So what it will become? Cos 5x plus cos 3x. So what happens? So that is equal to 2 into cos x. I am taking the minus common, cos 5x plus cos 3x minus what is this? 2 into cos of a plus b 8x by 2, that is nothing but a 4x into cos of a minus b is a 2x. 2x by 2 is nothing but x. So from the both you can take the common 2 cos x. I will take the common 2 cos x. What happens students? So that is nothing but 1 minus cos 4x. 1 minus cos 4x. You have the formulas. So 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta formula is 2 sin square theta. What is the cos 2 theta formula? 2 sin square theta. So that is the cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. From that one we can take 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. In the place of theta, if we can take 2 theta, what happens? In the place of theta, if we can take 2 theta, it will become 1 minus cos 4 theta is equal to, in the place of theta, if you can take a 2 theta, it will become 4 theta. 2 into sin square, this theta will become 2 theta once again. So this is the formula we are going to use here. So 1 minus cos 4x, so we can take it as a 2 cos x into this value in the form of 2 sin square 2x, 2 sin square 2x. So this is nothing but a 2 cos x. Take the 2 out. So 2, you can take the 2 out, it will become 2 into 2, it will become 4. So it will become 4 cos x, 4 cos x into this value sin square 2x, meaning is sin 2x whole square, sin 2x whole square. So that is nothing but 4 cos x into sin 2x value. What is the sin 2x value? Sin 2x value is nothing but 2 sin x into cos x whole square. Sin square 2x meaning is sin 2x whole square. What is the sin 2x? Sin 2x value is 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x. So that implies 4 into cos x into, apply the square, it will become 4, that is the 4, it will become the 4. So that is the 4 sin square x into cos square x. So 4 into 4, it will become 16 cos x into cos square x. So that is nothing but cos cube x into sin square x. 16 cos cube x into sin square x. Okay. So see that what is the answer is? Answer is the first option. So check that condition, students. Okay. So see that. So see the next question, question number 72. So what is the question number 72 is? See the question number 72. So see this question, students, what is there given that? Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x. So then what is the condition they are asking? Then 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 by x square value. 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 by x square value. This is the question. Okay. So see this one first. So given this condition is given first. So that implies take this 2 to this side, it will become 2 cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x. 2 cos theta, it will become x plus 1 by x. So what is the question they are asking? So consider that 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 by x square. 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 by x square. A square plus b square. How can you written that? A square plus b square you can written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 2ab. X square plus 1 by x square is in the form of a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x value. What is the x plus 1 by x value? Is a 2 cos theta. So that is nothing but 2 cos theta whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x will be cancelled here, students. It will get 2. So that implies 1 by 2 into 2 square. It will become the 4 cos square theta minus 2. 4 cos square theta minus 2. So see in the option it is not there. So what we will do that? I will take the 2 common from these two. So 1 by 2 into, I will take the 2 common. What it will become that? 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this 2 will be cancelled. So what is that? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Anyone can tell the formula? 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is nothing but cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1 is nothing but cos 2 theta. So see that question, students. So x plus cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by x. Then they are asking 1 by 2 into x square plus 1 by x square value. Okay. So see that question. See the question number 73. So what is the question number 73 is? A is equal to sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. A is equal to sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Then for all real values of theta, A lies in the interval. A lies in the interval. Okay. So see this question, students, what they are giving, that A is equal to sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So this sin square theta you can written as 1 minus cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Yes or no? So that implies 1 cos square theta, cos power 4 theta. From these two, I am going to take minus cos square theta common. From these two, I am taken cos square theta is common. So what happens? 1 minus cos square theta. Yes or no? I am taking the minus cos square theta common. 1 in the cos power. If you can multiply this, you will get this one once again. Okay. 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta into sin square theta. See here, 1 minus, I am multiplying and dividing with 4. So what happens? 1 by 4 into 4 cos square theta into sin square theta. So why I am multiplied and divided with 4? See here, 1 minus 1 by 4 into 4 cos square theta into sin square theta, you can written as 2 sin theta into cos theta whole square. Yes or no? 4 cos square theta sin square theta, you can written as 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. So that is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 4. This is nothing but a sin 2 theta. Whole square is nothing but sin square 2 theta. Sin square 2 theta. So what is the value? Is a value. So already we know that sine value. What is the sine value? Lies in between minus 1 comma 1. Minimum value is a minus 1, maximum value is a 1. But sin square theta value is a positive. Yes or no? So that value lies in between. We know that 0 is less than or equal to sin square theta is less than or equal to 1. Sin square theta, any term. So here sin square 2 theta is there. So I will take that value here. I will take that for all theta is belongs to R. So this condition I am going to use here. So from that one, so we know that sin square, that is a 0 less than or equal to sin square 2 theta less than or equal to 1. Not only theta, in the place of theta you will get a 2 theta. It is also square, sin square 2 theta. That value is also lies in between 0 comma 1. Okay. So that value is this value. Okay. So next, I will multiply with the 1 by 4 on the both the sides. What happens? I am multiplying with 4. What happens? 0 is less than or equal to sin square 2 theta by 4 is less than or equal to 1 by 4. Next, I am multiplying with minus. What happens? This less than or equal to will become greater than or equal to. So that meaning is, I will return, if you can multiply with minus, this value will become the least. So that meaning is minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to minus 1 by 4 into sin square 2 theta is less than or equal to 0. That meaning is, if you can multiply with minus, less than or equal to will become greater than or equal to. Are you understand that? That meaning is, it is the least value. So that's why I am written in this form. Okay. So next, I am going to add 1 for all the terms. So what happens? That implies I am going to add 1. 1 minus 1 by 4 is less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2 theta is less than or equal to 1 0 plus 1, that is nothing but, that is the 1. So that implies if you can take the LCM here, it will become 3 by 4 is less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 into sine square 2 theta is nothing but a. This value is less than or equal to 1. A is equal to sine square theta plus cos power 4 theta. A lies in between 3 by 4 comma 1. 3 by 4 comma 1. Important question. So see that question, students. Okay. So see that questions and practice these questions. We will continue in the next class. Okay.